Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wisdom of Everything channel. In a previous video, you learned that habits have a huge impact on our lives. An impact that is reflected in your situation today, which is a mere result of your past actions and habits. And therefore, if you want to change your life, become more successful, and realize your dreams, then there is almost nothing more important than to start looking at your habits. But what habits should you work on? Well, all habits can be divided into 8 essential categories and can be remembered with the acronym SWRIPSI. A word and powerful framework you have learned in the previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, click here to watch it. In this video, you will learn more about the first category and letter of the word SWRIPSI, namely the sustainability habits.
Woohoo!
So, the first habit category is called the sustainability habits. A word that involves everything related to our ability to sustain life. That means our ability to protect ourselves and survive in this world. Our ability to take care of ourselves and be hygienic. And finally, also our ability to stay healthy. These 3 are important subcategories of habits that belong to this group of sustainability habits. So, what are habits related to our safety and protection? Well, you could for example learn a martial art to be able to defend yourself physically, which not only increases your chances to survive in the non-digital dangerous world, but also improves your health as it is a great workout.
Boom!
2 birds with 1 stone. Or actually, multiple birds. For instance, if you go to a fighting club, you will meet new people, which improves your social happiness. And for most people, it also increases their confidence. So, a great habit to consider. Besides, as we live more and more in a digital world, you might need to consider developing some proper habits that protect yourself from violent cyber attacks. For example, always think twice before clicking on unknown links or opening attachments. Use strong, multi-factor password authentication where possible. And restart your devices periodically. Next, protection alone won't make you sustainable and able to survive as long as possible in this world. Your hygiene is equally important and might literally save your life in pandemic times. Like the habit of washing your hands with soap correctly, or disinfecting them after every outside activity or interaction with someone. All very important. Another habit that is worth stopping is the commonly known habit of biting your nails, as these microbes will enter your mouth and chances of infection increases significantly. There are multiple ways to stop that habit, and I will share more ways to change your bad habits in other upcoming videos, but one that helped my friend is the habit of cutting and filing his nails. Because the length of his nails and having corners and edges, combined with some uncertainty and stress, are triggers that activate the habit of biting his nails. And so, when he keeps them nice and short, this issue is solved. Finally, besides working on your self-protection and hygiene, your health is also crucial to keep your immunity high, and as a result, your personal sustainability. Therefore, quality sleep, healthy nutrition, and enough movement are your best helping friends. Choose for instance to take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park your car further than usual to increase your walking time. Remove any unhealthy sugars and attractive cookie monsters from your environment, and replace them instead with healthy fruits and vegetables. Of course, there are many more you definitely have heard of that positively affects your health. The thing is, it is your job to choose and list the habits that will improve your safety, hygiene and health. Or in other words, your personal sustainability. Besides your personal sustainability, there are other things that also need maintenance in order to be sustainable. Think about your ownership and possessions such as your house, shoes, electric devices, etc. Without cleaning and proper maintenance, most of them won't last long. So, what sustainability habits will you work on? Share them by commenting below. It will increase your commitment, and maybe you will inspire others with your awesome ideas.
Woohoo!
In the next episode, you will learn about the second letter of the word SWRIPSI, namely the W of wealthy habits. Just hit the subscribe button, and you will be updated with more episodes and interesting videos about habits and psychology in general. Thank you for watching. And remember, enjoy your day, get wiser, and help us spread the words of wisdom by liking, sharing, and subscribing.
Woohoo!